I've been using these two acrylic paints, which is Process Yellow and Cadmium Red Hue by System 3, and a bit of Titanium White. And here you can see if I paint over what I've written, you can still see it through. This shows us that this Cadmium Red Hue is a transparent color. If I were to paint over with the white here, let me just quickly show you. If I take this white and I paint over the little dot we have here, you won't see it anymore. It's gone. Because this white is pretty opaque and our yellow and our red are very transparent. And if you want to change that, if you say, okay, I want a yellow which is opaque, which covers things, then you can take some of your yellow, mix it with white. Of course, it's going to be a bit lighter then, but this way, let's cover this little dot, you see, it's getting more and more opaque and you can cover things up. Much better than with just the yellow. This yellow is completely transparent. Let me show again. Let's really put it on top. And here you see it's yellow, but you completely see the letters. And here the dot is nearly not visible anymore. So mixing some white into your transparent colors helps making them opaque. And if you want to know how I make these lovely little paint swatches and bind them into little booklets, just check out this next video, which is showing you step by step how to do that. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.